Hi. So my name is Felipe Hermosillo. I'm here with Tempest. I'm the VP of Sales. Today, here at InfoComm 2022, we are showing our new product, which is a blizzard enclosure with ActiveCool. First time we're showing, well, actually second time we were at ISE in Europe last week showing the same product. So for places where with extreme weather, now projectors require AC. So this is one of our products that we're going to be offering for different projectors depending on the size and power of the projector, from 5,000 to 50,000 lumens. This one happens to be an 8,000 lumens. So this is one of the maybe 3 or 4 different sizes that coolers that we're going to be providing in the enclosures. This one is called the Blizzard series. So we offer 4 different sizes depending on the size and the power consumption of the projector. This is the second to the smallest. There's 2 above, 2 larger enclosures. So for projectors from 5,000 to 15,000 lumens. As you can see, this one has a slide, but you can also get it fixed. You'll save some money there by not having the slide. This one is also showing the thermal insulation kit, which is highly recommended if the enclosures are going to be exposed to the sun or the snow. This will help keep a cooler or warmer temperature inside the enclosure. This one has an operating system and sensors which are constantly monitoring condensation, humidity, current, and depending on what it detects, either cold, condensation, or heat, it will turn the heater on for cold weathers. It will turn the fan on. The regular product will have a fan on here instead of AC. And if it detects condensation, it will activate both heater and fans to prevent condensation. There is a sensor up here that is constantly monitoring, like I said, current, temperature, condensation, to protect the projector and keep it at its optimum operating condition. So for more information, you can go to our website, tempest.org or .biz, B-I-Z, and you'll find all the information there, literature, technical brochures, service manuals, installation pictures and photos.